Okay, so we're here looking at the x22GT 250. So this is an automatic bike, so there's no gears in it, so it's a belt drive in it. So you're basically inside there, you're gonna have this exact same belt. It's a 918 22x5 motor scooter belt. It's a power link belt for like a drive. So I'm just gonna show you this really quick, how to first remove the cover, check your belt, what to look for to see if your belt is wearing out. This also applies for any other GY6 engine, like the 50cc or any of those. It's the same idea. Eventually you are going to have to change the belt. It wouldn't actually be bad practice to keep a belt up underneath your seat here. They do go, and when a belt goes, it really sucks. You're going to get lots of noise coming out of the front of your bike, and you're not going to go anywhere. So you basically want to keep some basic tools to change a belt if you're ever on the side of the road. So if you come down here now, you're going to see on the casing here that there's two 8mm bolts. We're going to remove those. Now these two 8mm bolts are the only thing that holds this cover on. They're both long, very, very long bolts. We're just going to set it off to the side. We're going to take the other one. It's already pretty loose, so take it off with our fingers. Okay, so we got our both bolts off. You'll notice that the cover's not falling right off. Some people, what they like to do is put a screwdriver or something in here. Please don't do that. You're just going to mess up all this gasket. You don't want to do that. So it's very easy to take this off. Just hit it a little with your fist, and there it'll pop off right like that. And then I was telling you about that seal. You really want to be careful of the seal. You don't want to wreck it. It's just there's no point in wrecking it. You can do it very gently to take it off. Okay, so I want to show you the inside of the cover. If you look, you want to be very careful with your seal here. You don't want to damage that. So we're going to leave it on very gently, like this. Okay, now underneath here, you're going to see in the cover here, you're going to see little black bits. That's normal shaving, shaving from your belt. So this belt isn't done. There's nothing wrong with it, so I'm not going to change it. But you will see that when to change this belt, it's very easy. You just take this bolt off here. This whole thing this whole fan here will literally slip off, and then you just put your belt back on, put it back on this wheel, put it back on the shaft, and then tighten it back into place. Now, what you're going to look for inside here is a lot of shavings. This one there's hardly any shavings in here at all. You'll see it's just very light, so that's how I knew that this belt, there was nothing wrong with it. So it's a good belt. Now, once you've changed your belt, everything's back, you're going to put this back together. You want to make sure that your gasket is lined up on these guides. So you got a guide here and a guide here. Your gasket's on, gasket's on, gasket's on. You can see it. And then you're just going to flip your cover up. And you're going to very gently put it back into place. Now, when you put these bolts in, it's going to be a pain to find the hole, but just be patient until you find out where they go, and then just screw them in. Oh, I didn't get it there either. Now we're there. There we go. So I found it, and then I'm just going to tighten this one in. There you go. Then I'm just going to put this one in. And again, it does take a bit of patience to find the hole. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to just tighten it back into place. Don't over torque these, so just snug them. That slot's tight. What happens if you over torque or over tighten these, you're just going to break a big hole in your casing. It's just white metal and you don't want to do that. So just snug it, and that's it. And there you go. And that's how you change your belt.